Why choose between fudgy brownies and gooey mochi when you can have both? Rich, fudgy, and packed with chewy perfection. This recipe is my absolute go-to. Not gonna lie, stretching this mochi, therapeutic. Baking these brownies, total self-care. I'm using Valrona's 64% dark chocolate because it's smooth, melts like a dream, and gives these brownies that perfect balance of sweetness and depth. We're talking double the texture and double the chew. Honestly, why settle for one dessert when you can have two? I need all my desserts to be this chewy.